Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Hope you guys have had an awesome day trading today. You can see here I'm in the green, up almost $71, sitting up 70, 78 on a very good day of trading, sitting just below 12,119 overall for my portfolio. The markets overall very good today. The S&P 500 up 0.46%, Nasdaq up 0.69%. And the Dow up about 89 points or so at 0.49%. And as I scroll through my securities, you can see mostly in the green here. There's a few stocks in the red, but for the most part, a very good day trading, especially for my particular portfolio. Of particular note, energy stocks, ExxonMobil did a very nice day today, up almost $9 today. Have 5 shares of ExxonMobil. And then my portfolio that's been kind of dragging my portfolio down over the last few months actually since I bought this, up a bit as well, up $31. So that accounts for the majority of my gains actually, but overall a very good market. What I kind of wanted to talk today about was getting back to this dividend capturing strategy. So as you know, I had picked out about 5 funds or so that I was buying in a cyclical fashion, getting the dividends and then trying to get rid of those funds to buy the next stock in series. So there was 5 particular bond funds I was doing this with. Each had an ex-dividend date dispersed throughout the month, so I could buy one stock, get the dividend, sell that off, and then buy the next stock by that ex-dividend date to get that dividend. So over the full month, I'd basically buy and sell 5 different bond funds with about $3,000, and the bond funds yield being 5 to 10%. I'd be making about $15 to $20 per round. So over a month, doing that 5 times would be $100. Didn't quite work out for me. It's a lot of monitoring the market. Essentially, you'd have to go in and find a fund that you could buy ex-dividend date. It took a lot of work. It just happened that this particular fund I was taking a look at, this PIMCO High Income Fund, had an ex-dividend date coming up actually tomorrow. I had some funds laying around, so I went ahead and just bought 271 shares. So about $2,700 worth of this particular stock. To get that dividend yield. It's got a great dividend yield here at 12.5%, but these are very risky investments. So I'm not sure if this is going to pay out for me or not. At one point I was up almost $12 for total return. I was almost going to just kind of sell it off, do a quick day trade, but decided to keep it so I could get that dividend payment, which will be about, I think I calculated about $30 or so. That will be coming to me. So tomorrow I can sell this stock off, and as I scroll down here, you can see I already have a sell queued for tomorrow at 9.98. Trying to make a few dollars back. But if I can sell this off tomorrow for 9.92, what it is today, what I bought it for, I'll be happy with that as well. So I wouldn't make anything on the particular trade, but I would essentially get that dividend payment of about $30, and then use those extra funds, either hold on to those for some more high dividend yielding securities after election and rate hike, or maybe even start up my dividend capturing strategy again and try to buy another high yielding fund before its ex-dividend date. So yeah, that's kind of the big play I made today. I'm not sure if I'm going to regret doing that or not. The last time I tried this on an Angel high yield bond fund, it kind of backfired. Overall I didn't really lose any money, but I didn't really make any money, and I spent quite a bit of time looking at the stock and putting the orders in and whatnot for very little to show for it. So that's kind of the big announcement today. So just kind of wanted to give you guys an update video here, up about $71 or so, sitting right under 12,119 for my portfolio, and we'll kind of see how my new dividend capturing strategy pays out or not. I put a lot of money into this, about $2,700. I'm going to get that dividend payment, but if I can't get rid of this, or if that fund drops a lot more than the dividend payment, which I hope it doesn't, it could be a negative return for this particular trade. But we'll kind of keep an eye on that, and I'll update you guys on how that turns out. So yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to talk about in this video. As always, I love doing these videos, so if you can support me either by sharing the video, giving me a thumbs up, commenting on the video, I really appreciate that. As always, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Really helps the channel out a bit. And as I say every video, I'm doing this basically to learn about investing. I really value your guys' opinions. I kind of want to get some discussion started. That's the whole reason I started this video series. So if you have any ideas about what I'm doing, any thoughts, comments about what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, or things that you're doing in your portfolio and how those are turning out. Let me know. That's the whole point about doing this video series. So again, very good day today, and we'll see you guys next video.